time, but we'll just move on to weather. It's been a pretty nice day out there.
Yeah, you know, one of our warmest days so far of the week, although about a degree or two warmer than yesterday. So not a whole lot of change. And, you know, the next couple of days, we are going to see gradually humidity climbing, believe it or not. I'm taking a live look downtown this afternoon, evening. We've got a good deal of sunshine out there with some scattered clouds. Very hazy looking sky. Temperatures right now here in downtown Austin sitting at 79. We do have a south breeze at 8. Humidity at about 64 or about 60% right now. Our dew point number is at 64, which is very high for mid-March. Readings across the board, upper 70s to low 80s. Warm spot down to the south, San Marcos at 82. We're at 81 right now in Lakeway, 77 in Mason and Fredericksburg. Those numbers are also a couple of degrees warmer than yesterday afternoon. Now looking at water vapor imagery, the dark colors are the dry air. The very white colors or the green colors, very moist air. And you can see this moist flow out of Mexico. And this is in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. And you'll notice it just kind of keeps pushing areas of moisture back into our backyards. You can see some more moist air out in southern New Mexico this evening, and also some very moist air moving into deep south Texas as well. And it's only a matter of time until this moist air kind of parks right over our region. And at the surface, we're continuing with that moisture out of the south and southeast. So once we get the atmosphere loaded up, we're going to have an upper level system starting to move into our backyard the beginning of next work week. And with all this moisture to work with, it could be a moderate to heavy rainfall event that we'll be dealing with late Monday into Tuesday. Now, the latest drought monitor, these things get updated every Tuesday and then get released Thursday morning. So the latest numbers coming in are showing improvement area-wide. This area of extreme drought has thinned a little bit, and our moderate drought that we've got right along the I-35 corridor and off towards the east is spreading out, getting rid of the severe drought. So that is good news. If you think back just a couple of months ago, the entire region was covered by extreme to exceptional drought. So it is improving, although we are still under a drought and we need the rainfall. Now, looking at the HPC Center's forecast for rainfall. Now, they go out to 5 days, these forecasts, and this one is from Sunday morning at 7 a.m. until Tuesday morning at 7 a.m. and showing our far eastern counties at about estimated from about a ½ inch to an inch of rainfall. Near Austin, about 1 to 2 inches of rainfall possible, and over the Highland Lakes and off towards the north and east or north and west of there, 2+ inches of rainfall. Now, I should mention that our next storm system is not going to make its way all the way to the east by 7 a.m. Tuesday. So if we were to extend this out to Wednesday and Thursday, this area of 2 inches is going to continue to move off towards the east near Austin by Tuesday night, and possibly 2 to 3 inches of rainfall will be possible in our eastern counties by Wednesday morning as this storm system continues to move through our region. Now tonight, just going to be another warm and muggy night. We'll see scattered clouds, maybe little patches of drizzle once again in the morning hours, and then giving way to partly sunny skies again on your Friday afternoon. Should be a nice and warm day just like we saw this afternoon. And then as we head towards Saturday, we're going to do it all over once again. I do expect, though, to start to see a little bit of change as we head into Sunday, as we will see a couple of isolated thunderstorms Sunday afternoon. Temperature-wise, though, not expecting a whole lot of change the next couple of days. So tonight, 66 again for our overnight low. We'll climb up to 80 tomorrow afternoon with south winds at about 8 to 15. I expect numbers to climb up to 80 again on St. Patrick's Day Saturday with just a slight chance of rain. We'll climb up to 81 on Sunday, 79 by early Monday afternoon, but then the rain and thunderstorm chances really start to increase. They'll spill over into Tuesday and early Wednesday as well. A Pacific cold front comes in behind that system, which will bring slightly cooler and eventually by next Thursday, drier air with a high temperature next Thursday, right around 73. And Shannon's over in the traffic center. Got a check of the evening.